2019 had a ton of beautiful looks, including this one from Max Mara. Although this look debuted in the fall, because it's a wet look, it looks great spring or summer. So grab your sea salt spray, your comb, and let's get braiding. It's important that we have the right parting. So using my mirror, I just want to make sure that I have the parting sitting right on the side and adding in the right texture. So using Texture Tonic, I'm going to fully saturate the hair. With this look, there is a significant amount of volume, but what's important and what the Texture Tonic is doing is allowing for us to have finger marks or separation in the hair. So I'm going to establish my parting, and then using a large tooth comb, I'm gonna clip that hair into position. And then just using these little clips here, what they'll do is keep the separation in the hair once I begin my next step, which is to braid. Now that I have the front in place, I'm going to begin by braiding. At the end, we're just going to braid loosely so that the braid doesn't become too small. I'm just going to use an elastic the same color as the hair. And before I finish, I'm going to just pull a few hairs so that it doesn't look too tight. And then using my blow dryer, I'm going to dry the front. To ensure that everything stays in place, I'm going to remove my clips that held the hair while I was braiding. And if there's any sort of marks that are left from the clip, I'm just going to remove them. With low heat and low power, I'm going to blow dry the product into the hair. Now that everything is dry, I'm going to carefully remove the clips from the front, because if I don't have enough separation or lift, before I take out the whole hairstyle, I can make sure to adjust it. With a light hairspray, I'm just going to put a gentle application all over to keep everything in place, but still keeping the texture from the Texture Tonic.